If you want to share your WhatsApp profile with someone using just a link, here is how to do it. Open any conversation or anything you can type and type this URL https colon slash slash wa.me. Now type your phone number in international format. For example, if your number is 0123456789, your WhatsApp profile link will be this URL, then slash, and your phone number with country code is recommended. Once you have the link, copy it and send it to your friends. Add it to your bio or use it anywhere you want to others to connect you directly on WhatsApp. When someone clicks on the link, it will open a chat with you instantly. No need to save your number first. And that's how you share your WhatsApp profile using a direct link. If this helps, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tips.